How to remove old devices from Google account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can remove your old devices from Google account. For this, you want to open the Gmail app on your device. Now, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on Manage your Google account. Then you want to swipe and then select Security option. Here, scroll down until you find the option of Your devices. Here you can find all the devices where you are signed in. If you want to find all the devices where you have been logged in, tap on the Manage All Devices option. Here, if you have any old devices that you no longer use, you can simply sign out or remove from that. For this, tap on any of the devices. Here, you can find the date and time of when you were last signed into your Google account. Simply tap on the Sign Out option. It's going to ask you for confirmation. Go ahead and tap on Sign Out. Once you do that, this will remove access to your Google account from that device. As you can see, that device has been removed from your Google account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.